there is going to be overlap of the premolars. So, only this spot, சரியா அங்க மட்டும் தான் your finger should touch. You should be placed here. சரியா ஒரே ஒரு இடத்துல maximum pressure applied. Ask the patient to look down and then you expose the radiograph. Okay, you can go a little distal if you think knees ella irukumbodhu there is going to be even more overlap. Okay, but when it too much to this side is premolar exposure. So only this much is allowed. Okay, near to the palate itself and then touch. I am not shaking. அவன் வைக்கிற மாதிரி எதுவுமே நான் வந்து டிஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணல. நேர உள்ள போய் முடி ஒன் பிளேஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. சரியா? Take it for the canine. Okay. So first so tube head is positioned.
First, the tube head should be kept in a long distance from the object. Okay, that's tooth, and this film should be placed as close to the of the tooth, and it should be parallel to the tooth. And then the rays which is coming from the tube head, it should be perpendicular to the long axis of the tooth, and then receptor also should be parallel to the tooth. And at last the focal spot which is spot should be small so that sharpness of the image will be better.
Flow. Okay. So what is doing here? He's increasing the source and the object distance.
I'm placing the film.
Film should be?
Film should be parallel to the long axis.
Okay, one more. It should be as close as possible to the object.
Notes and clearance should be playable.
Okay. Incisal dot should be on the occlusal surface. You should ask the patient to tilt her head a little bit. Yes, and then take the radiograph. Okay, wow. So the last point is center ray should be
Perpendicular.
Check.